Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all the Adorbee. This is a smart IP camera with battery. This is truly a wireless security camera solution for any and all your needs. It does have creative powering though. If you want to power it with the power supply, you can. But you can also use its built-in rechargeable battery to truly make this a wireless solution for you. Here are the awesome features on the front you can see. So really nice product photography, and then they list out everything that it has. Wire-free HT video at 720p, rechargeable battery, it has motion detection, a viewing angle of 130 degrees, night vision, two-way audio, micro SD card support up to 32 gigabytes, and it is weatherproof. So there it is, looks really cool. What a sweet little camera and setup right there. Easy setup on the side, really simple, as easy as 1, 2, 3 right there you can see. And then on the back, they even have QR codes for the iOS or the Android app, so we'll be using those momentarily. Same summary of what we had just talked about. And then you can see everything on this side as well too. It explains in a little more detail the HD quality, the night vision. It works up to 32 feet, 10 meters. So adjustable push notifications for motion detection. I mean, it shows its dimensions and weight. So what a great product. Really nice packaging. I like the color scheme they got going on. Good design. Really well thought out. And it's just nice. The narrow box is really cool too. So I did receive this to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. Today I just want to unbox this, let you guys see it first hand and make a decision for yourself. And I'll show you how to set it up and connect, and we'll hopefully power it up and test it out as well. So without anything else to do, let's unbox this bad boy. So it should just slide right out. All right. And then what do we have? Another box that lifts off. Really nice cardboard too. There it is. Looks really cool. So first thing we have is, let's look at the quick start guide just so you can see. They got two models, so the A1 and the A3. This is the A3 version. Again, both are 100% wireless if you want it to be. So it's showing you what's in the box, showing you product details. I love that they have this in color, and that they have screenshots saved for you to be able to set this up easily. So it's showing you everything you need right there. On the back, look at that. They got app screenshots and everything for you. So really a nice guide showing you how to mount it, how to set it up. You might need to reference this, but hopefully this video helps you as well. Again, they got an iOS and an Android app. So now let's go ahead and take the camera out of the box. Ooh, it's heavy. It's heavier than I thought it'd be. Really nice. I mean, it fits in the palm of your hand really comfortably, which is cool. Not that you'd be holding it there, but look at this. This is a really cool camera. And then they just got your typical screw on the bottom, so this could probably even fit right on a tripod, which is awesome. So it's a battery IP camera model A3 from Adorbee. So, and it's adorable. Let's see what else we have in the box. So it does stand on its own, which is cool. They give us a mounting, yes. They give us what should be used for mounting. They give us a USB to micro USB cable, and they give us a 3M sticky back to place it wherever we want. And they give us some anchor screws, and I'm gonna guess a pin to reset the device if necessary. So this is really sweet. Let's see if we can even figure out. Oh yeah, yep, wow. Wow, they really thought this bad boy out. This is really neat. It has a magnet right there, and it is super strong. So, wow, I'm really digging that. So you can adjust it however you want. Do I want the camera up, down, you name it. As long as you can mount those couple of screws through the back right here, you are in great shape. How easy then, in a couple months, and you got to come take it off to charge, done. Plug it in, you're good to go. So this is really neat, really well thought out. Really excited to go ahead and set this up. So again, it's just the magnet goes right there. So what an awesome IP camera. This is really cool. So let's go ahead and see too if we can find where the SD card is and where the USB plugs in. I think it's going to be this little grommet right here, so we can see if we can open it up. All right, so they did have a really nice grommet right here on the bottom that's showing you, if you can see that. You have a little tiny button up there that I did say. They give you the little reset pin for in here to reset the device if necessary. You have a power button right there. You have your DC 5-volt USB, and then you got your slot for your micro SD card, which you could just stick in. They show you how to do it too. So it's going to be right side up. All right, it clicks down in there. I picked the worst day to trim my nails. So again, you're going to install the micro SD card in there with the logo, you know, 16 gigabytes, that sort of thing, facing up. So just make sure to push it in there. Then you got the spot for your micro USB cable to plug right in if need be, and a power button to turn this device on. So since we're going to set up down here, I'm going to leave the grommet off for a little while, and we'll set this up and just see how we like it. And then obviously if you're going to go outside and use this, you're going to want to put this back on to protect from any sort of moisture and keep that water tight in there. So this is so cool, guys. Really, really impressed with this. Seriously, this is really awesome. So really simple installation. Again, just put a screw through, set it on there, and you are all good to go however you want to adjust it around this magnet. So really well thought out. Let's go ahead now. We'll dive right in. I'll be downloading the app on my Android phone, but it'll be the same process for your iOS device. So we'll go ahead now, head to your app store, download the app, and then we'll take a look. All right, guys, I'm back. I have the app already downloaded from the App Store. Just go ahead, search Cloud Edge, no spaces, or use the QR code. You'll have to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. It's as simple as adding your country of origin, basically, and your email address and password. Once that's done, you'll be directed to this screen where you can add a new device. So let's go ahead and add our device. What type of device is it? It's a battery camera. I have already pushed the button to turn it on, so it is not asleep. Hit next because it's flashing red up there. Press 5 seconds on reset button. Wait for LED indicator light to flash red. Tap next. So it's solid red now. So let's go ahead. We will do that reset, and they give you that little reset pin in here. So for 5 seconds. It just made a noise to reset. The light is flashing red. Slowly, I may add. Hit next. Press the battery camera button and tap next. So I'm going to push the power button and hit next. So now enter your Wi-Fi network. Okay. Once your information is entered, hit next. Please remove protective film from the lens. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Please remove the protective film from the lens. Click next button and hold your phone at a distance of 5 to 8 inches and scan the QR code that appears on your screen with the device. Okay, this could be cool. So I'm going to hit next. 5 to 8 inches. It just made a noise. A tone will be heard if it's successfully scanned. So we did. Hit next. Now it's connecting. All right, so it looks like we are finished. It looks like you can probably edit the device here. If you're going to buy a bunch of these, you can, left corner of the house, outside garage, inside, whatever. You can name it what you want. I'm just going to go ahead and hit finish. Wow, and we should be good to go, people, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and just kind of explore this device and see what all the functions are. So let me go ahead and tap that play button. Find a new version, upgrade firmware to the latest version. Hit OK. So it looks like there's a new update. I'm going to go ahead and install that. Please keep camera online when upgrading. Let's hit OK. It's going to install some firmware, and then we'll explore the app. All right, so the firmware has updated. Now hit done. And let's see if we can go in. Let's see what this does right here. So setup, zoom. So this looks like that is real time. You can see what I look at every day when I record these videos. Got some great studio lighting right here. You can see that. There's the box, there's my phone, there is the camera and everything. So it's done a really good job adjusting to all that studio light. That's really harsh stuff to be pointing it at. So this is cool. So it's showing you the bit rate and the Wi-Fi percent for the signal. I'm guessing 85%. It's got a little battery icon right there. which is really cool. So that should tell us how long it's going to last or when it would need to possibly recharge. Really exciting stuff. So let's go ahead and just see for fun. That'll take us to full screen, I believe, which is cool. And so within the app now, we can do, we got record. So it's recording the footage that we're seeing right here. So I'm going to turn that off. Video stored. Okay, cool. Then we got photo save to storage. We have a microphone. And we have mute volume. High definition is what we're currently in. It looks really, really nice. Great quality. While I have the screen recorder on, I do not believe the audio functions will work. So at the very end, I'll turn the screen recording off when we're done. And I'll test the audio so you can hear the intercom stuff. So this looks awesome, guys. This is a really cool camera. So let's go ahead. We'll just dive right into some settings right here. So that's it in real time. We kind of looked at all this stuff. So you can take a screenshot really quick. You can do the intercom really quick. You can do the recording right from here. Done. Saving it. Here's your history. So it's showing you alarm events and setup. So no history yet. Here's the calendar for today. So you'll have your screenshots and your records right there when it's time. So that's really cool. Here's body detection. You can have that turned on or off. And now we should be able to tweak all these settings up in the top right corner. So there's my email, there's the camera nickname, serial number, receive alarms. Do you want it to receive alarms? Do you want to share this with friends? So that's really cool. Or your significant other, family members, that sort of thing. Here's the internet information. Here's the SD card. So it's showing the capacity is 64 gigs and there's 41 gigs remaining. So yes, it does work with cards above 32 gigabytes. Let's trust what the instruction manual says and the Amazon description that it supports up to 128 gigabytes. You can format it right from here, which is really nice. You can rotate the review. You can rotate the view, which is really cool. 180 degrees if you're going to place this camera upside down. So that's really nice. Here's body detection. Body detection functions which can monitor the human situation who stands in front of the device and gives alarms. It is possible to choose different detection sensitivities. So let's go ahead and let's turn that on. And then there's low, medium, and high sensitivity to that. So that's really neat. It's nice that they have that. Then there's speaker volume, how high. Set the device speaker volume for visitors so you can use it as an intercom. 50 is fine. Consumption management, power input. Yes, I'm really excited about this page. This is really important. So it shows you the percent. It's nice to have that little icon in the video, but I want to know like how much battery is left on this device. So it shows you the percent right there. An estimated usage time, 120 days. So that's 4 months right there. It said anywhere between 2 and 6 months, depending on your consumption and how this is going to be triggered and that sort of thing. So that's really helpful and handy. And then there's the version. So this, guys, is really cool, really simple, easy, straightforward. I'm really impressed. Very easy to use interface. You can see back here, we can add other devices if we had them. So that would be great and easy. Here's alarm messages if you get any messages from your alerts. Here's your friends you can add. Here's my own profile. So let's just dive back into that device for another minute. All right, so I'm playing around with the camera a little while longer and I've kind of noticed a couple of things. So the first thing is I'll trigger a motion event right here and I should get a push notification on my phone that it is aware that something's going on. You can see it right up here now. Motion detected. There it is. So it's showing right here. That was from earlier, actually, playing around. So it's showing you that quick little video. So what I'm learning is you can record on this camera however you want, and it'll save it right to your device if you're within the app and this is connected to Wi-Fi. And then when there's motion and triggered events when you're not around, that's what the micro SD card will pick up for you. And I believe it might take a couple of minutes, but it'll sync it to your device right here. So I just got another motion alert right there. We can see, I'll go ahead and push play. It said failed, but it's probably just not uploaded yet. Yep, there. So you can see that was the one I did earlier. So that's going to be recorded locally on here, but you're able to see the history, which is really cool, really nice. You got a full range right there. So that first one was just 2 still shots. And then everything else has been, let's see, this might be still shot too. Or this was the video. So, and there's a video right there for sure. But it's just showing you as a still shot. I don't really know why right there. But yeah, so this is really awesome, really helpful stuff. So this will trigger motion events depending on your sensitivity, you know, and it'll give you a push notification to your phone, you know, the mailman's at your door, your package has been delivered, you know, whoever's there, an intruder's, you know, by your garage. You'll get that notification message from your phone, and then you'll be able to click on it and see a snapshot, a screenshot of what has actually happened. So it's really a neat app, really well thought out. And just great design. So go back to see. So it's showing you the history right there. This is all from today and stuff that I've done with the camera. It's time stamped and everything. Here's the other one. See me waving at it. 9:56, shaking the camera too. So guys, this is really cool. The footage is right there, really easy to have if you ever need it. And then again, you can screenshot stuff yourself, so you can record and talk and do all that, and it'll save locally to your phone. But it's also got that SD card built in to help when you're not there to capture the footage. It'll display it for you, and then it syncs it up right with the app. So that is really cool, really a great camera, really awesome features. So go ahead, definitely check this out. Here's a quick follow-up showing you some night vision of this camera in my furnace room. This is really cool, really amazing. Look at the detail in that. So this is really a great and awesome camera. You can see all through here. Again, it's pitch black in here, but the camera adjusts to any sort of low light situations. It's really, really impressive. So go ahead, make sure you check this out. So I have it exited out, and let's see now if we can do any talking. This feature requires recording permission. Allow. Hey. Hey, David. It's me, David. So the intercom definitely works. There's a little bit of feedback, but that's because look at how close I am doing that. So that's really cool. Let's see, too, if we can pick up the audio within the app as well. All right. Again, that's going to hurt your ears, but it does work. There's just a lot of feedback because I got that mic, this camera, and the app open so close together. But it really sounds great. Just blown away with how nice it is. So this is a really simple, easy to use camera. A great solution. You know, if you're retrofitting a house or something and you just don't want to run wires, this is going to be perfect for you just to get a couple of these and just get going. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Everything was easy, simple, and straightforward to set up. So I just appreciate you guys being here watching this video. Hope it was helpful for you. Go ahead, check this out. The link is in my video description below. It'll take you right to Amazon. You can add a couple of these to your carts. See the other products that they have in their lineup as well too, and do a little bit of mix and match. And so thank you again. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, and follow me on my social media accounts, and check out my website as well. Join my free newsletter. I'll be doing a giveaway there soon. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.